This is a general overview of how MagicBase Mobile works in connection with MagicBase Pro. It's not intended to be an instructional video to show you how to use it, but just to give you a general idea. Let's say that you have a customer that has booked you for an event. In this case, the customer is Acme Manufacturing. The event is the company picnic, Saturday, May 20th, 17th at 8 p.m. And here's the show details. Now, the important point to realize when you're exporting data from MagicBase Pro to MagicBase Mobile is that the current action set is what will be selected. In this case, the current action set is just one show out of many, and that's what you want. We're just going to export just this one. And to do that, I go to Prefs. There's a button that says Export MBP to MagicBase Mobile. When I click on that, it confirms that it's just one event and one show that will be exported, and I click OK. Now what has happened is that MagicBase Pro has copied that data to this file right here, MB export to mobile, and notice this is a .csv, which means it's an Excel file. If I were to open it up at this point and show it in Excel, there's the one record with the company name, the date, the time, the price, all the details that are needed for the file. Now, MagicBase Mobile is not an app, okay? MagicBase Mobile is just a file that's run on FileMaker Go. Okay, FileMaker Go is a free app from FileMaker. It'll run on iPhones. Okay, so what we're going to do is first to copy this data into the desktop version of MagicBase Mobile. And then that desktop version of MagicBase Mobile will be copied to the iPhone. So this data is put in MagicBase Mobile, which is a file which is opened in FileMaker Go. So I keep my MagicBase Mobile in my Dropbox folder. And the reason for that is because I can access it both from my desktop and from my iPhone. So what you'll do is you'll open up MagicBase Mobile on the desktop computer. And MagicBase Mobile is just a very simple screen. You've got customer information and you've got a list of your customers. So you just click on the customer you're interested in and you can see the details for that particular customer. Okay. There's also, besides the standard stuff that you'd expect, the email, the phone number, the web address, the show name, date, time, price. There's a map button. There's also a notes field. Okay, so it's very simple, but you can use this as a mini phone book just to keep track of the customers that you got upcoming shows for. So to import the data, I choose File, Record, Import Records, and I select the file that I'm interested in. In this case, it's that one right there. So what I'm doing is I'm importing this data into the desktop version of MagicBase Mobile. All right, so there it is. It's been imported. I've got that customer in there now. Okay, and I can see all the data. So now all I have to do is open up my Dropbox folder and from my iPhone, and I load that file, MagicBase Mobile, and I open that up in my iPhone, and then I've got that data available there. So that's basically how it works. It's a file transfer version. It's not a synchronization. But the great thing about having this data on MagicBase Mobile is that then you can keep track of all of your customers on the MagicBase Mobile program if you want. And if you get a customer testimonial, a neat thing is that you can click on that button and open up your camera on your phone and record a customer testimonial and keep it right in context with your customers there. And of course, you can export that testimonial and then use that on your website if you want. So that's a couple of features of MagicBase Mobile. For more information, you can go to magicbasepro.com, and there is a guide, a full PDF that explains the whole process of MagicBase Mobile. And You can download a free demo of MagicBase Pro, and you can use it for 30 days with up to 20 customers and test out, see how it works for you. Okay, best wishes.